I hope you're really well. Today, I'm so excited. I've got a Sleeping Beauty kind of a day. Bit of déjà vu, if that's a word. Join me the other side of the intro and see what wonderful pins I've got. And let's do a pin unboxing. Hit it, maestro. I've been waiting and waiting for this wonderful parcel to arrive, and it's come! And it's come in a very special envelope. Oh, excuse me, frog in the throat. This envelope is international. It is actually transatlantic international. It has travelled the globe. No, I've not lost the plot. I sent Beth, I think it was when I sent her a plastic bag and a little towel, and I popped it in this bag, and then she went to the Sleeping Beauty event down in Walt Disney World. I think it was the end of February, and she went and she was so kind and she picked me up some pins that I'm going to show you today. So when she was coming to post them back, she was looking for something that was big enough to send them, and this just happened to be on the side. So it's gone to her and it's come back. So question is, do I put it in my recycling or do I use it again? Do we keep up the tradition of this green mailer? It's green for life. We've got to keep it going, haven't we? So who will get this next? That is the question. Anyway, sound like a mystery novel reader, don't I? Anyway, in my world I do. So first of all, let me show you the pins she brought me back. Yeah, before she went to the event, we were both collecting these ones, the Pink Carnival ones from Hong Kong, and she got stitched and I didn't, and that's all I needed to complete my set. So she so kindly sent it me, and look, see, they're like beveled, they're not flat paint, and I think these are beautiful. So that now completes my set. Well, the first half. There's another half that's going on now, but I've spent too much money. I'm in Alcatraz. I'm in Alcatraz, and I got my trips coming up, haven't I? So I'm in Alcatraz, so I'm being really good, and I'm not ordering any at the moment. That is a key phrase. We'll see. It's in the next couple of days, so we'll see. So anyway, the pins that she got me from the event, I've not even unwrapped them yet. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, these are beautiful. Okay, so this one, yeah, it's just beautiful, isn't it? It's the Sleeping Beauty and her Prince Philip. But what I love, look, is you change the dress so it can go from pink, and then you twirl it round and it goes to blue. If I can get my big finger round, I've had all my nails cut off, still I'm struggling. And it goes to blue, and then it comes round and it goes to purple and pink. Well, blue and pink, which is like a purple colour. Isn't this beautiful? I think that's a beautiful pin. And it's a limited edition. And how many is it a limited edition of? 4,000. I'm not going to put it back on the back of the card. It's going to go straight up on my Sleeping Beauty board. So isn't that lovely? And you can see the element there. So as you move it, this is, see, it's an actual separate wheel there that's going round. So I think that's beautiful. I might actually leave it like that, pink and blue. What a beautiful pin. Beautiful, beautiful pin. So that was the first one. Next. So the next pin I've got. Ooh. Now we thought, Beth and I, that this would actually be one of the most popular ones, and yet it's the one where they had the most left. I don't know if they've still got them yet, and that is the fairy pin. And what I like about this is, because I like moving pins, don't I, is it actually folds out. So you've got the 3 fairies, and it tells you what they're giving. So you've got the gift of beauty, the gift of song, and the gift of true love on the 3 pins. And isn't that really, really lovely? So that one, this was $19.99. The other one, that was $17.99. So, and on the back of this, what limited edition is this? This is a 4,000 as well. And it was really because of these pins I decided I was going to start collecting Sleeping Beauty pins. Yeah, I just think they're really, really beautiful. So, let's put these on my little board and we can have a close-up at the end. So, next pin. Right, bubble wrap. Right, Maleficent. Had to be Maleficent, didn't it? And this was $17.99. And the thing about this, which I can do because I have no nails, when I had long nails I couldn't open any of the pins. So it opens up, and inside, where you've got the dragon, you've then got Maleficent. Inside laughing, and you've got the flames on the inside of the doors. Isn't that a lovely pin? I think that's really pretty. $17.99, and the LE for this one is, I think this is 4,000 as well. Yep, 4,000 on the bottom. But they're just really lovely pins, aren't they? I think they're really super. Now, there is one more I've got coming that's not here yet, and that was from over in Disneyland, which they didn't have in Disney World, and they had the pass holder pin, and it's the one with the 3 fairies, and I do have one of those on its way. It hasn't arrived yet, and then that will complete the pin. So not only did they have the single pins, but they had the mystery boxes, didn't they? And I might just have some. Now, I've been good this time. I have been good, and it's been a bit of a killer. So there are how many pins in this set? 3, 6, 9, 12, 14. And I have got 4 boxes, which means I've only got 8. So there's no way possible I could actually complete the set. Now, here's my dilemma. I'm going to open these up and I'm going to love them, aren't I? And then what do? They might still have some, I don't know if they have, or I'm going to have to trade, or... And they're meant to be really big pins, so then how do you display them? Do you put them on a pin board? Do you put them in a shadow box? You can't just put them in your book, can you? Well, you can just put them in your book. So I don't know. So these were $19.99 a box. So I did get 4. Thanks to Beth, I got 4. So shall we have a look, see what we've got? First box. Right, now these are big pins. Right, so we're going to need some luck. So come on then, this is an important one. Send me some luck. I don't know what I look like as I'm doing this. I'm going forward like I'm rowing a boat. So that's it. Send me all your luck. So over in America, Canada, South Africa, good old UK, you can get it to me quicker because we're here, aren't we? We're all together. Come on, China, Hong Kong, Russia. Send it me, and then I'll have it hitting me. Whoop, waves, there you go. That's Hong Kong. It's not Hong Kong, is it? It's the UK. Karen, what are you on about? Right, first one. These bags are thin. Right. They're big pins, right. And on the back, I'm not even looking yet. It's all, so this is what it says in the back. I have no idea what this pin is. So it says limited release on the back, and there's no chasers, it's just the set. Okay, this is nerve-wracking, isn't it? Which one would I like? I like all of them. Right, let's have a look. So I've got the Raven. The black Raven, is it? Now what I like about these pins is they're all identical, but it tells the story. Oh, so maybe I should have done that first to show you the back, but I'm sure you've seen it off everyone else opening up these pins. So you've got the story on the back, and as you read it, it tells the story. So on this one, it's got Maleficent summoned all the demons from the castle to prevent Prince Philip from reaching the princess. They're really nice pins, actually. The detail on them. So it's like the edging round a book, isn't it? So you look at that, look at all the trim in there and here. Very, very pretty. And these are really big. really big. If I was to put it on one of the backing cards of what I've just had, it's half the backing card, so you can see it's a big pin. So that's the first one. Right, so we have the crow. So, next one in that bag. What will it be? What will it be? What will it be? I like this one. To protect Aurora from Maleficent, the good fairies hid her in the forest cottage. I like this one. Yeah, I might keep this one. I might keep them all. I might actually do the set. Look at that. Fauna, Merryweather, and the other one. Hold right there. I have a book. Right, shall we have a look, see who the other one is? Right, so Sleeping Beauty, Sleeping Beauty. Okay. Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather. Yay! Jess, it worked. And if you've not seen my box swap with Jess, I'll link it. I'll put it at the end so you can click on it straight at the end of the video. And I'll link it down below. Go and watch that. And she gave me that book and it's wonderful. So there you go. So you got the three fairies. I really like that. Oh, I love that. And I love the fact that I can look it up in my book. So I don't look as stupid as normal. Right, so then. Well, I do because I had to look it up in a book. Right, second one. Are you sending me? Hang on, hang on. I can feel, oh, America's just here. Oh, and Canada. Come on, Hong Kong. Come on, South Africa, send it. Come on, send me all these good luck vibes. Anyone just tuning in and walking in now, I think I've lost the plot, won't they? Right, so who's in this one? I'm doing really well. Maleficent turned herself into a flame-spewing dragon. Quite a descriptive word, isn't it? Spewing. To stop Prince Philip at any cost. So I've got the Maleficent one. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I really like these. I really like these. Okay. Next one. Right, okay. You send it. Come on, come on. I've still got USA and Canada helping me here. So come on. Let's see who's coming next. Awaken Princess Aurora with true love's kiss. They lived happily ever after. These are really, really lovely. It's like a love story in pins, isn't it? Is it beautiful? Beautiful pins, beautiful colours. Okay. Box. Right. So, we're 2 down, 2 to go. So, hang on, I can feel Hong Kong, Hong Kong. I can feel Tokyo, Shanghai. Oh, all 3 together, yeah! So we're only waiting for South Africa and Russia. Come on, good luck vibes. I don't get any better, do I? Right, so, who's in this one? Who's in this one? That's a tight one. Oh, I've got a duplicate, so I've got another Maleficent. So I've got 2 of those. Oh dear, I wonder if it's going to come with the Prince and Aurora, because that was what was in the box. I wonder if we're going to get 2. So, should we have a look? Here we go. No! Oh, we got another Maleficent. Fearful of Maleficent's curse, King Stephen decreed that all spinning wheels in his kingdom be burned. Look. I'm doing really well with all the Maleficent ones, aren't I? So I've got like 2. So I've got Maleficent and the dragon. Was there any more? So you got Maleficent, dragon. Oh, there's just the one more. So it's the spinning wheel one. Oh, right. So if I could now, I would like. Oh, yeah, they're all fab, aren't they? I would like one with the 3 fairies again with their hats on, I think, for sure. And I'd like one of her lying asleep. And I'd like the one of her as a baby. And a spinning wheel. So what's that, 3 or 4 I want? and I got one box. Do you think they put 4 in error? Shall we pray? Oh, hang on, South Africa came in. Oh, there's Russia. We see we're doing all right. So we've got everyone on board. Oh, good luck for this one. So fingers crossed, I've got my 2 little bags left. Right, let's have a look. What's in this one? And I can't see because my little sound muffler's on the top, so I can't see. Oh, she's asleep. You got the Sleeping Beauty asleep one. Oh, that's lovely. So that's the one of them. And it says, the good fairy Merryweather had changed the curse so that the princess would not die but sleep. That's really pretty. It's really pretty, isn't it? These are really pretty pins. Should have got more, shouldn't I? See, the thing is though, but if you buy 7 boxes, it's $140. That's a lot of money, isn't it? Right. Okay. Maybe I can trade. Things I've got one to trade, haven't I? So maybe I can trade. What's the last one? What's the last one? Oh! So, I've not done bad at all. In a faraway land long ago lived a king and his fair queen. Oh, so I've only got 1 double. Oh, I did so well, Beth. Thank you so much. You did so well. Just 1 double. Oh, these are beautiful. These are really beautiful pins. I really, really like these. Can you tell? I'm going to have to collect them all. Most definitely, I'm going to have to collect them all. Hopefully they've got small boxes when I go down to Walt Disney World, but I'm definitely going to collect these. They're beautiful. So there we have it. So those are today's pins, the Sleeping Beauty ones. So we've got the Maleficent one at the top, the princesses, the fairy godmothers, and we've got the twirling dress, and then we've got 8 mystery ones, and I only got the one to trade. So they're absolutely beautiful. Thrilled to pieces with those. I'm thrilled to pieces with those. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I'm always doing unboxings and trip videos and mystery pins and pin mail and yeah, everything, aren't I? Taste testing now from Japan. So yeah, so click the subscribe button, and also if you click the notification bell, what will happen is YouTube will send you an email saying I've uploaded a video, and then it's up to yourself if you watch it or not. So I love that because it keeps you informed, doesn't it? It keeps you in the loop. But thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.